Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com, and in my previous video we went ahead and unboxed the Huawei Nova 4. So I have it over here. So in this video let's go ahead and set this one up and see what the Punchhole is all about. If you are excited for that, smash that subscribe button right now and let's get started. The Huawei Nova 4 runs on the latest EMUI 9, so let me go ahead and run through the setup process with you. So first off, here we have the regular language selection screen, so I'm gonna select English and let me select Sri Lanka, which is somewhere over here. Alright, so now let's get started. I have to agree to all the terms, and after that I need to insert the SIM, which I will do later on. And next I can import the data if I want from any other device. I'm currently using the Mate 20 Pro as my primary device along with the iPhone XS Max. If I want I can import the data, but I'll just skip this for now. And now I can connect to my Wi-Fi networks, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Let me quickly connect to my primary Wi-Fi. Alright, so I have entered the password and we are now connected to the Wi-Fi network. So let's go ahead and see what the next step is. Right now it's actually checking if there are any updates. I don't think there might be any because this phone was just launched. So it's now checking the information. And here we have the screen to log into our own Gmail account. Let me quickly do that. Alright, so just like that I'm connected to my Gmail account. So now let's go ahead and see what the next step is. Here we have the setup for the Google Assistant, so I've agreed for all of that, and now I have to log in to my Huawei ID. So just like that, now we are connected to the Huawei account, and now I can agree to all of these terms. And now we come to the interesting part. First off, let's set a fingerprint ID because this device has a fingerprint scanner at the back of it. It doesn't really have the fingerprint scanner, the in-display fingerprint scanner of the Mate 20 Pro. So here I have my Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and this device has an in-display fingerprint scanner which I can just use to scan and get in just like that. But the Nova 4 has a fingerprint scanner at the back, just like with the Huawei Nova 3 from last year. So let's go ahead and set up the fingerprint scanner of the Nova 4. So let me quickly set up a password for now. Alright, so now I had to enroll the fingerprint just like this. Alright, so we are almost there. Now I have to just put in all the edges, and now we are done with one fingerprint. Now let's go ahead and set up a face for face unlock as well. So again I have to put in a password, and I'll put the pick to wake, I'll enable that as well. And now I have to agree to all the terms. Yeah, just like that we have enabled the face unlock as well. So considering that this device doesn't really have a huge bezel or a notch at the top, it's really nice to see Huawei having the face unlock. It's actually doing it with the camera itself without any other sensors. The Mate 20 Pro has a bunch of sensors in that notch for a more secure 3D facial recognition, just like with iPhone's Face ID. So this device doesn't really have that, it's using the camera. Nevertheless, it's good to have face unlock on this device. Next we have the user experience program, so I can join that if I want. I'll join that, and now it says to keep the software up to date. Alright, so just like that we have completed the setup, and this is the Nova 4. So this is the main home screen of the Nova 4, and let me quickly go into the settings area and show you what this device is actually running on top of. It's actually running on Android 9 Pie, like you guys are seeing. And just like I mentioned in my unboxing video, this device is powered by the Kirin 970 along with 8GB of RAM, and it has 128GB of internal storage. Because of the punch-hole camera at the top, it gives this device a pretty sleek look and it looks really nice. So let me quickly open up the camera and show you guys what it looks like actually with the punch-hole camera. Some of you guys wanted to see what it's like, so let's see what it's like. So just as I expected, the top part is blacked out and we are seeing all the settings. So you can quickly shoot a picture, and then if you just zoom in, you can see the picture taking up the front, the punch hole as well, and it looks pretty nice. So if you go into the settings and check the resolution of the rear camera, there are actually 3 rear cameras on this. I have detailed all about that in my unboxing. In case you guys didn't see the unboxing of the Nova 4, definitely go ahead and check out my video. I'll have a card right here as well as a link down below in the description. So in that I actually talk about the camera sensors in detail. So here you can actually make changes to all of this. Let me know if you guys would like to see any other type of camera related video or any other type of video featuring the Nova 4. If you guys are interested, I'll definitely be sure to make those videos for you. So this is the Huawei Nova 4. Let me know what you guys think and what other videos you guys would like to see. I just wanted to make this video and show you guys the setup process of the Nova 4 so that you can experience it before you go ahead and actually buy this device. So far so good. Let me know if you guys would like to see a full review of this device. I'm working on some other interesting videos for the channel as well. Definitely stay tuned right here on YouTube. I'll make that happen. If you guys are interested, drop a comment and let me know. And before we wrap this video up, let's go ahead and test up the face unlock real fast. So let me open up the lock screen, and yeah, so the lock is happening just like that. But let's go into the settings and make sure that it auto unlocks without sliding. Right, direct unlock is now enabled. So now we can see how fast this thing actually is. Alright, so it seems to be pretty fast. Now let's test out the fingerprint scanner as well. Pretty fast. So far so good. I'm excited to use this device, and I'll keep you guys updated on social media. Follow me on social media at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And definitely check out my Instagram at Andro Dollar, because that's where I post all the behind the scenes and all the sample photos that I capture with the devices that I test. So that's about it for this video. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.